What's up guys, Trey here with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're taking a look at the Body Armor 4x4 Highline Bumper High Clearance Side Wings designed to fit the 2016 to 2023 Tacomas. These side wings are going to be perfect for off-road enthusiasts looking for rugged side protection, enhanced approach angles, and a sleek but aggressive style upgrade. These Body Armor side wings are built to enhance your Tacoma's off-road performance while maintaining a sharp aesthetic. They are designed as a direct bolt-on upgrade for the Body Armor Highline Bumper thanks to the modular design. The high clearance design of the wings gives you an added protection without compromise on your approach angle, which is essential for tackling tough terrain. This durable texture black powder coat finish not only looks great, but also provides excellent corrosion resistance to withstand the elements. These are also going to give you nice clearance if you're running larger tires on your Tacoma. And another nice feature is these slots for adding LED light bars in case you want to add some extra lighting up front for a wider field of view. These side wings are going to be crafted from heavy duty 3/16 inch steel. And the side wings offer superior strength and durability to protect your Tacoma's front end during demanding off-road adventures. The modular design side wings are bolted on for an easy installation and removal, which we'll show you here in a minute, giving you flexibility based on your preferences or trail requirements. Its precision engineering ensures a perfect fit, and the durable black powder coat finish is both stylish and offers protection against rust and scratches, and complements any other black features that you might have on the truck. Now, as far as pricing goes on these side wings, they're coming in right around that $400 price range, making it a solid investment to enhance your functionality of your Highline bumper and adding some durability to your Tacoma. Now, installing these side wings is going to be super straightforward. It's designed as a bolt-on installation and mounts directly to that Highline bumper thanks to its modular design. And all the hardware and detailed instructions are going to be in the box for you. So on our difficulty meter, this install comes in at a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches and should only take you about 1 hour to complete. Let's see exactly how this goes on your Tacoma with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
The main tool we used for this install was our wrench. 10mm sockets. We used the 14, which was the stock bolts for those 3 nuts, and 16 is what we ended up using for the actual nuts that came with the bumper. We used a tape and tape measure. We used an oscillating tool, and then we used a sander just to smoothen out the edges. My nephew let me borrow a Sharpie to mark out where we were going to cut this. Then we're going to take our 10mm socket and remove these 2 bolts holding this. And then we also have these 2 pop washers. Then once you remove these 2 bolts, these 2 little locks should just pop out. Then we have this connection right here that we have to take apart. And this whole thing just comes out. For this next one, we're going to need our 14mm to remove 1 bolt and 2 on the side under there. It's a little hard to see, but if you come under here, there's 2 bolts right there. Sorry. Helps a little that we already did a Viper cut on our bumper, so it gives us a little more room to remove these bolts, or nuts I should say. Then we go to the third and last one over here. So now that our bumper's a little loose thanks to those 3 bolts, we can come and pull this piece out. And the side wings come with this longer one. We're gonna kind of center it and tuck this under there, cover our cut ends of the bumper. Just push it in there. We work our way all the way around the bumper. And I think this will get cut, so we'll stop here. So we're gonna cut this side now. I'm gonna put our tape like we did the other one. Just follow it across. And then we're gonna take our tape measure 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch again. We're gonna come back here, and it seems we're already pretty much there at our 1/2 inch mark below there. We accidentally measured up to this bolt on the other side, but it's actually the one right here that's missing. So we're gonna try to straighten our tape. And that'll be our new cut line. Move our second tape, and we're left with a line we're trying to cut. And we cut right below our line. So now we're gonna remove our tape. Take my sander. Then we take our trim piece and continue bringing it over. And that's it for that trim piece. So now that's how we're gonna go ahead and install this plate on those 3 bolts that we removed in the beginning. This slides on like this. And we're just gonna go ahead and hand tighten these a little bit so we still have some play to fit our bumper wings when it comes time to putting them on. See, still a little bit of play that way we can mess around with the bumper wing. So now we're gonna continue with the wings, and they have these double bolt plates that go there and a single one that goes down here. We have an assortment of washers, so when you put this in through the back here, you have these plastic tabs so that the metal won't rub against each other. So now we have our bolts in, we're getting ready to put the wing. Take our trim piece that came with the kit, and this just pushes on it, so we cut this excess. Trying to get it in the other way. It might be easier if we turn this plate around. Put these tabs on this side. Same thing with this single plate. And then mount it. Then we have these washers. First we put the flat washer, then the locking washer, and lastly we hand tighten our bolt, hold everything, and we repeat the same step for all 3 of those bolts. Flat washer, locking washer, and now we push our bumper to where we want it. We start tightening all these bolts with our 15mm socket. So now we go back to these original 14mm nuts that hold our bumper. And we tighten those back. See, there's one right there. Two on the other side. And for the other two, we'll go under the truck, under the bumper. Stick our socket under this hole right here. And we'll start tightening. Almost forgot. Gotta reinstall the bumper. Line up all these tabs. With all these tabs over here. Then we reinstall this, our sensor. It'll just quick. Take our washer and pop it back in. These tabs right here. Our original tabs. Pull them out. Pop them in. And two little screws. First you get your 10 millimeter. Now with that back in place, that's our finished product.
That's going to wrap up our review and install of the Body Armor 4x4 Highline Bumper High Clearance Side Wings for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacomas. And for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.